Spiffy Pictures logo bloopers number 2. Cut. Spiffy, you are not supposed to be remain virgin by Pepsi Fantastic. You are supposed to have normal, okay? Whoopsie. Alright, take 2.
Pizza.
Cut. Spiffy Pictures, you're not allowed to say pizza because you're not a Little Caesars restaurant commercial. Also, the background's supposed to be yellow, not blue. Whoopsie. Take 3. I don't even care. Cut. You're not allowed to scream at me, Spiffy Pictures, and you're not allowed to say person H, and you're not the bad guy. You are also, the background's supposed to be yellow, not red. Why are you angry? Oh, sorry, I just got mad at something. This is Viacom the V of Doom. Copyrighted. Anyway, take 4. Cut. Spiffy, you're not allowed to say wow. You are not allowed to smile. And you're not allowed to have a top hat. And you're not allowed to have eyebrows. Whoopsie. Alright, take 5. Cut. Spiffy Pictures, why are you sick? Oh, sorry about that. Anyways, take 6. Take 7. Cut. Spiffy, you're not allowed to be scared, and you are not allowed to say it's full of eggs, because you're not Grandpa Pig from Peppa Pig. Also, you are not allowed to be scared. You're supposed to be happy, okay? Sorry about that. That's good. Now that you can't say it's full of X anymore, now we are gonna try this bad boy once again. Once and for all. But anyways, once we get that done, let's have a take 7. Take 7. Cut. Spiffy, you're not allowed to say E-fits, because you're not allowed to be backwards. And you're not allowed to be an HD version. Sorry about that. That's good. Take number 9. Cut. Spiffy Pictures, why didn't you say Spiffy? You're supposed to say Spiffy, okay? Sorry about that. That's good. Now I can try again. Take 10. Cut. Spiffy, you're not allowed to be slow in the speed of times 2. You're supposed to be normal. Alright. Take number 12. Hurry up. Cut. Spiffy Pictures, why are you in the sick effect? You're not allowed to be in the sick effect. Oh, sorry about that. That's good. Now I can try again. Take number 12. Cut. Spiffy, you're not supposed to be a remain version. You're not allowed to have the Bandicam either. .com either. Sorry about that. That's good. Now I can try again. Take number 11. Cut. Spiffy Pictures, you're not allowed to use spiffypictures.exe. And you're not allowed to use KindMaster. Sorry about that. That's good. Now I can try again. Take number 12. Take 13. Cut. You're not allowed to be pin ball. You're supposed to be normal, okay? Sorry about that. That's good. Now let's take number 14. You're not allowed to be a different color. Alright, one last chance. Screw up again, you're fired. That's the best one.
Spiffy.
You're doing such a well done, Spiffy. You're hired for the next episode. Yay.